Good evening, guys. Not an evening, good afternoon actually. So right now I'm commuting on Makkah Road. I'm going to the gym after work. So my gym is on this King Fahad Road. The name of the gym is like Fitness Time. Maybe you know about it if you live in Saudi Arabia. And well, I'm gonna go there. Right now the time, I'll tell you the time, and you can see it's sort of less busy compared to other times at Makkah Road. So right now it's 3:40, and well, let me take an exit from here. At 3:40 it's quite convenient, the traffic you see, but I took an exit, but seems like on the left side people are still in this congested traffic. Anyways, for us we have to move on to the King Fahad Road. We have to take an exit, so that's what we are gonna do. So as you move straight on this road, you go more and more into the center of the city, but we are going to the King Fahad Road, which is actually the bloodline of the city itself. So right now I'm gonna be merging onto the King Fahad Road. There seems to be more traffic over here. I wasn't expecting it to be that much, because usually I actually leave late from work, but anyways, today I left early, so these are the scenes right now. Sort of like 4 or 5 kilometers ahead, we have the Fitness Time gym. Fitness Time is a very good gym, although the one on King Fahad Road, it could be better, but the thing is that it's quite convenient for me to go to that one. So if you commute on the King Fahad Road, let me know down in the comments that what's the usual time when you commute on this road. So I just turned on the map to see the traffic situation, and it says that it's 3.7 kilometers and it's gonna take me 9 minutes, which is outrageous, but still, it's life, it's Riyadh. We have to make do with what we have. So a part of why I started these driving vlogs was that the time that I was commuting, it was actually a lot. I thought I would do something productive in this time, show you around Riyadh, and that's what we are doing. I put a lot of videos on the channel, driving at various times, various locations, and all this one. So if you are seeing this now, there would already be a big catalog of videos previously on the channel. And well, down the road, not actually down this road, in future down the road, the thing is that maybe the layout of all these areas will change. Maybe there will be huge skyscrapers on this road, who knows. But the thing is that maybe 10 years, 20 years from now, the vlogs that I'm making, the driving vlogs, they would serve as a memory, not only for me but for other people as well, on how the situation was back in the days. So I see a lot of value in this sort of content, and that's why I'm making this for myself, for you guys, and I find it quite interesting actually. Also, for now, I'm hoping I could reach the gym as soon as possible. I really want to get done with my workout before heading home, and then going to do some other work related to my investments and all this one. So I also have another channel called Talha's POV and Raw Logs by Talha 2 actually. So the POV channel, it's like the gist of all my experiences. So if you prefer short to the point videos, that's the place where you can see the experiences that I've had. And I've had some videos from Medina as well, and I did a lot of effort in recording them and putting them. As for the raw logs, it's actually the raw footage from my life, how my day goes, how's my life in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and all this, that sort of stuff. So both are interesting in their own sense. And well, right now 2 kilometers left and 7 minutes. Okay guys, so the camera overheated, and well, the thing is that I couldn't record more from there, but these are the scenes here in Riyadh. That's the Kingdom Tower, amazing. And here's our gym, Fitness Time.